The future of AI. As we look to the future of AI, predictions for the next decade are both exciting and ambitious. We can expect continued advancements in AI technologies, with improvements in areas like natural language understanding, autonomous systems, and personalized applications. One of the most intriguing prospects is the development of artificial general intelligence (AGI), a type of AI that aims to possess human-like cognitive abilities across a wide range of tasks. While AGI remains a theoretical goal, significant research is focused on making it a reality, with the potential to revolutionize various aspects of life. AI also holds great promise in addressing global challenges. In climate change, AI can enhance predictive models and optimize resource management, while in healthcare, it can drive innovations in diagnostics, treatment, and personalized medicine. By harnessing the power of AI, we have the potential to tackle some of the world's most pressing issues and create a more sustainable and healthier future. AI policy and governance. AI policy and governance are crucial in shaping the future of AI technology. Currently, various policies and regulations are being developed to address the ethical and practical challenges of AI. These include guidelines for ensuring transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI systems. Governments and organizations play a vital role in overseeing AI development and deployment. They are responsible for setting standards, enforcing regulations, and ensuring that AI technologies are used responsibly and ethically. This oversight helps prevent misuse and mitigates risks associated with AI applications. International collaboration is also essential for addressing global AI challenges. As AI technology transcends borders, it's important for countries and organizations to work together on issues like AI ethics and safety. By sharing knowledge and establishing global norms, we can ensure that AI benefits society as a whole while minimizing potential risks and unintended consequences. Current state of AI technology. AI technology has advanced rapidly, becoming integral to daily life and industry. Today, AI is used in automation, decision-making, and more. Natural language processing models like GPT-3 enable machines to understand and generate human language, powering chatbots and virtual assistants. In computer vision, AI excels in facial recognition, autonomous vehicles, and medical imaging. AI also enhances data analysis and predictive modeling, aiding in business decisions and healthcare. However, challenges like bias, data privacy, and model interpretability remain. As AI evolves, ongoing research will push its capabilities even further. AI is becoming advanced day by day.